up? The sky is blue. I have my shoes. Do you have yours too? Let's run and jump. Let's shout hooray. It's such a fun and happy day. We chase the birds. We skip on rocks. We laugh and splash in rainbow socks. We see a bug. We spot a bee. We climb a hill as fast as can be. Let's count the clouds. Let's sing a song. We can dance all day long. The wind is soft. The grass is green. The world is bright and feels so clean. But now the sun is going down. It paints the sky with gold and brown. We wave goodbye to all our play and dream of more for the next day.